Welcome to Debt Busters. Today's video will reveal the ultimate technique to make money online. If you're a newbie looking for the quickest way to financial freedom, prepare to learn the tried and true tactics that can earn you over $100 daily without breaking a sweat. Stay tuned as we deconstruct the world of internet entrepreneurship and guide you to success, one step at a time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see and you want to support the channel. Get ready for the perfect combination of a high-paying product and a traffic stream that will explode your revenue. But before we get started, grab a pen and paper because we're about to delve into your hobbies and passions. It's time to let your imagination run wild and write down at least 15 of your fundamental interests in a document. From the intriguing world of travel to the adrenaline-fueled arena of extreme sports, your diverse set of interests will be the foundation of your success. Now combine your passion for what you do with the possibility of enormous riches as we walk you through an astonishing journey of transforming your interests into a profitable internet company. Now this is where the magic takes place. Take a deep breath and prepare to embark on a mind-bending adventure that will effortlessly lead you to the peak of prosperity. Step 1. You need at least 5 most profitable niches to turn your hobbies into an unstoppable money-making engine. The fun part comes in combining your unique interests with these mega profitable niches. It's time to identify the sweet spot where your interests and the most lucrative possibilities intersect. You must delete any components from your hobbies that don't fit your selected niche as you restrict the options. Believe us when we say that this seemingly complicated process is actually simple. We've streamlined the path to success so that every step you take is enjoyable and seamlessly propels you toward the financial freedom you seek. So, buckle in and prepare to watch the magic of turning your passions into profits. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the thrilling process of matching your interests to the most profitable niches. It's time to take the next exciting step to internet success. Prepare to unleash the power of collaboration as we lead you through a treasure mine of chances. Investigate platforms such as ClickBank and Digistore24.com, where you'll find many high-quality products simply waiting to be welcomed by a knowledgeable entrepreneur like yourself. The options are unlimited, whether it's a new digital course, a revolutionary software solution, or an appealing ebook. You'll establish an alliance with a high-paying product that precisely complements your selected specialization with a few clicks and a dash of imagination. Grab that compass and go out on a quest to find that precious jewel, the product that will become your devoted companion in your quest for online success. The partnership of a lifetime is waiting for you, and we'll be there to help you every step of the way. Trust us when we say this is where the true adventure begins, and the rewards are spectacular. For this video, we will use Digistore24.com. As we approach the Markets tab, a universe of options opens. Pay close attention now. This is where your creative abilities will shine. It's time to select the category that best matches your interests and the speciality you carefully selected. Imagine your hobbies and experience smoothly blending with various products designed to attract your target audience. The option is yours in health and fitness, personal growth, or the enticing world of beauty and fashion. With each click, you'll unearth a treasure trove of high-quality products to share with your eager audience. This is your chance to shine and establish yourself as the go-to source for great items in your chosen field. The stage is set, and the spotlight is shining brightly on you. Let's go on and see how your passions, interests, and niche form an exceptional online empire. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Consider this. You have a product that has the potential to skyrocket your earnings. It's time to set our eyes on a game-changing objective, finding a product that costs at least $600. You may be asking why we set such lofty goals. So, let's present a vivid picture of the incredible riches that await you. Consider making a staggering 50% commission on that $600 item. Can you feel the anticipation growing? That's right, you're taking home at least $300 in pure profit. Allow that to soak in for a moment. You've easily eclipsed the $100 a day milestone with a single sale, leaving it in the dust. Isn't that totally incredible? Now, everything begins with a simple sign-up. Create an account on Digistore24.com to join the exclusive community of online entrepreneurs. Find the product that corresponds with your hobbies and niche, and prepare to embark on a prosperous path. You'll unleash a tremendous force that will pave the road for your success with a simple click of the promote button. Hold on tight, for what follows is pure magic. Digistore24.com will provide you with a one-of-a-kind link, and believe me when I say that this link is your golden passport to limitless benefits. It's like a secret key that unlocks great opportunities. This link can track your sales and ensure that every dollar earned goes directly into your pocket. It's time to select those channels that correctly correspond with your specialty category with the precision of an experienced navigator. Immerse yourself in their enthralling content and keep an eye out for their most popular videos on YouTube. But here's the secret sauce. Turn those videos into your own masterpiece. Conduct a thorough study, extracting the most precious jewels and incorporating them into your own composition using your own words. This is your chance to stand out from the crowd, but we're not going to stop there. Prepare to take your presentation to new heights with Google Slides assistance. Embrace your inner artist as you imaginatively arrange your script among the slides, creating a vibrant and exciting display. Do you want to add some visual appeal? Not anymore. Incorporate intriguing photos from sites like Pictory to unleash your creativity. Enhance the impact of your message with spectacular images that will catch your audience's attention and elevate your presentation. Consider the following scenario. Your writing is precisely organized, your pictures are breathtaking, and it's time to bring it all to life. Take out your free screen recorder and get ready to shine. Guide your viewers through your Google Slides presentation with excitement and experience. Alternatively, to add a professional touch, consider hiring a competent freelancer from a platform like Fiverr or Upwork to bring your screenplay to life through a fascinating voiceover. Congratulations, you've arrived at the apex of your path, where consistency and optimization serve as catalysts for limitless achievement. It's time to unleash your videos onto YouTube's vast ocean, armed with the knowledge to maximize their impact and your earnings. Don't forget the showpiece, the one-of-a-kind link from Digistore24.com. But first, let's learn about video scheduling. Consider yourself a master conductor, overseeing the weekly release of 2 to 5 engaging videos. This consistency will help you build your presence and keep your audience interested in your next masterpiece. Now let's reveal the secret weapons that will enable you to make high-quality material easily. Look at the power of software. Equip yourself with OBS for smooth screen recording and explore channels like Tech Gumbo for inspiration and instruction. But it isn't all. VideoScribe is a technology that turns whiteboard animation to life, making it ideal for imparting complex thoughts and captivating your viewers. Allow your imagination to go wild as you explore the boundless horizon of potential. Prepare to be astounded by the revelation of recurring revenue, a significant game changer in your quest for financial wealth. Choose goods that allow you to make monthly payments and produce a constant source of money. Consider how satisfying it would be to know that each sign-up and subscription contributes to your growing revenue month after month. The secret to your success is to choose these profitable items that will continue to reward you long after the original sale. And there's an ace up your sleeve for those looking to lighten their workload while increasing their effect. Consider hiring qualified personnel to handle various areas of your film production to delegate tasks. Create a compilation of their work, infusing it with your own unique touch and expertise, and then unleash it on the world. This smart collaboration will save you time and effort while providing your audience a consistent stream of captivating material. Remember that you can create, inspire, and leave a lasting impression very quickly and easily. Making a few dollars online passively is okay. But if you prefer a more active approach to making money online where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube Cash Cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the easiest way to make money online for beginners. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing the crazy $1,000 a day faceless YouTube channel strategy. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know the crazy $1,000 a day faceless YouTube channel strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.